In this video, we will show you how to configure our Wi-Fi devices with the Energy CcM application available from the Android store. There are 3 ways to configure the Wi-Fi communication. In cloud mode, the data are sent to our server. In FTP mode, files are sent to an external server, and in gateway mode, it acts as a gateway to obtain the data. Start the application and it will automatically detect whether there are any registered users and CcM devices within the range of the smartphone's Wi-Fi. If you do not have a user account yet, you should create one. It is required in cloud mode in order to view the data on our server. To create a user, enter its email address. A verification code will be sent to the provided email address. You will then need the code to validate the user. Once the user account is registered in the application, you will be able to add not configured CcM devices that appear within the smartphone range. You can read the data directly before adding them to confirm that they are operational. Proceed with their configuration. Select the local Wi-Fi network to send the device data. Introduce the Wi-Fi network password and assign the CcM a name. Select whether you wish to enable your device to measure energy consumption and generation. Select Cloud Mode to send the data to our server. Select your time zone. The CcM device will send the data with this timestamp. Select the created user. You can create a working group if you have several CcM devices, as well as take a photo of the installation and add notes. Very important, you can protect your configuration with its own access password. This password will prevent configuration changes without your permission. You will be able to find the device in your user profile and check the data in your smartphone from anywhere. A secondary bus is formed when there are secondary devices connected to a principal CcM device with a CcM Wi-Fi. In this case, we will configure the device in FTP mode. Repeat the previously shown steps. In this case, we decided that it will measure consumed and generated energy in bidirectional mode, changing the current sign. Fill in all the information needed to send the data to the FTP server. When you finish the configuration, you should check that the communication setting was successful on your FTP server. A principal bus interconnects several principal CcM devices, and a CcM Wi-Fi replaces the cable communication. You should cut the data cable right next to the CcM Wi-Fi output. Important: when cutting the cable, there should be no current circulation. The selected communication mode should be gateway in order to read all the devices via CcM Wi-Fi using the Modbus protocol. Proceed like in the previous examples to configure the CcM Wi-Fi. Select Gateway mode and fill in the configuration data of the local Wi-Fi so that a static IP is assigned to the device. Please download the CcM Wi-Fi device manual and follow all the configuration steps. If you make a mistake and do not know how to continue, reset the CcM and start over. By pressing the button for 10 seconds, the device will return to its factory setting.